Okay, ma. Next we see the role of sunlight in photosynthesis. Photosynthesis processல sunlightோட பங்கு என்ன அப்படிங்கறத நம்ம என்ன செய்ய போறோம். Now we will see. Okay. So the first one, the entire process of photosynthesis takes place inside the chloroplast. The entire process of photosynthesis inside the chloroplast. The chloroplast in the inside la dhaan the full process enna seiyum photosynthesis process nadakum. Okay, so it is occur in, already you know that it is oval shaped in structure, that chloroplast. Yes, the structure of chloroplast such as that light dependent and light independent reaction. Okay, so it is takes place in different sites of the organelle, same organelle but it is occur in different sites. Okay, light dependent reaction and light independent reaction, only it is present in the same organelle but different sites, same organelle but in different sites, same organelle and different sites. Okay, now we see that light dependent reaction. Light dependent reaction. Okay, yes, the light dependent reaction otherwise is called Hill reaction. Otherwise is called Hill reaction. Why it is called Hill reaction? Because one of the scientists, he is a Robin Hill, discovered this process in 1939. Then only it is called Hill reaction. Otherwise it is called light reaction. So sunlight is involved in that process. Sunlight is involved in the process. Okay, so next we see that where it occur in this process, in the chloroplast, in that thylakoid membrane, that is coin like structure, this is called grana. Thylakoid membrane otherwise is called grana of the chloroplast. So this light dependent reaction only occur in thylakoid membrane or grana of the chloroplast. Next one, photosynthetic pigments absorb that light energy. This photosynthetic pigments absorb the light energy and convert into chemical energy, that is ATP and NADPH2. ATP and NADPH2. Adenosine triphosphate, this is nicotinamide adenine diphosphate, NADPH2. So that is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Next one, and this are the product. This ATP and NADPH2, these are the products of light reaction. This light reaction products, it will enter into the light independent reaction. It is that is grana of the chloroplast to stroma of the chloroplast. Okay, so you know the difference of the light dependent and light independent. Light dependent means presence of sunlight. Light independent, there is no need the sunlight. There are no need sunlight of this light independent reaction. So that light independent reaction, it is the second step. And otherwise is called biosynthetic phase. Without sunlight, then only it is called a dark reaction. So this reaction is carried out by the stroma of the chloroplast. Then during this reaction, carbon dioxide is reduced into carbohydrate. What ma? Carbohydrates. So how to get that carbon dioxide? It get from that atmosphere. Okay, so that is it is reduced carbohydrate with the help of what ma? Already I told these two products, ATP and NADPH2, these two products with the product. This with the help of light generated ATP and NADPH2. This is also called a Calvin cycle. This is also called a Calvin cycle. It is there is no need to sunlight in this process. There is no need to sunlight. The Calvin cycle inputs is carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and ATP and NADPH2 produced from light reaction. Okay.